Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with DoorDash credits. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have DoorDash credits and you want to apply to your next order. How do you actually go ahead and make sure that happens? So first things first, let's open up DoorDash. Now, to simply put, if you have DoorDash credits on your DoorDash account, it's automatically going to be applied to your next order. So if I click on view cart here and then scroll down, you can see that there's a deduction of DoorDash credits of $33. That is DoorDash automatically applying my credits to my next order. Now, in order to see how much DoorDash credits you have, you can click on Me on the bottom right-hand corner, then click on Settings, then scroll down, click on Payment, and then scroll down. And as you can see, underneath where it says DoorDash credits, it says $50 US, and that credits will automatically apply to future orders. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pay with DoorDash credits. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.